Welcome back to Celebrity Taste Test. I'm your host, Skip Filbertson, along with my good pal, Wilby.
Hi!
And we're about to see the results of what I have to say is my favorite challenge, breakfast.
It's the most important meal of the day.
That's right, Wilby. And that's why we've got a true connoisseur to judge this challenge, Michael Flavin.
Breakfast is the only meal I truly care about. It's the reason I get up in the morning.
Well, it's time to find out whether our contestants' breakfast creations are good enough to get Michael out of bed. Starting with this delicious-looking Swiss asparagus omelet.
Asparagus is a rare and delightful way to start the day, even though it makes my pee smell funny. This looks fantastic. Great presentation. The way you've arranged the parsley garnish, it's like a pastoral scene or something. It's very good, as omelets go. But I have to admit, I actually feel a little bit weird about the pee thing. It's like, I mean, what's happening to me? Next! Interesting. I wonder if this is gonna taste as good as it looks. This is the best thing I've put in my mouth in years! The texture, the flavors, the milk, is that 2%? I feel like if I had this for breakfast every day, my life would be significantly better in every way. No kidding. So, do we announce the winner now, or what happens with that?
That's right, Michael. In just a moment, we'll reveal the winner. Right after this.
Look, I know you're hurting now, but if you get back out there, you'll get over it faster. Give me that. Give me 10 minutes, and I'll get you a pile of dates. Okay, you've got 5 dates next week. Get ready to see what you've been missing.
I think I love you.
So, tell me everything. You're welcome.
What's better than breakfast? Breakfast with friends. There's nothing like the taste of social acceptance. Nothing except friendos.
Welcome back. It's time to announce the winner of Celebrity Taste Test, who will be rewarded with our most amazing prize ever, an all-expense-paid trip to the moon. Michael, can you please tell us which dish is the better breakfast?
Well, I love a good omelet, but I have to say, next to a cool, crisp bowl of Friendos, it's basically garbage. I gotta give it to Friendos.
You're going to the moon! Celebrity Taste Test was taped in front of a live studio audience, brought to you by Friendo Cereal.